Carla with First Team. Whoops. Oh, I'm gonna give you a call. Carla with First Team Real Estate. I'm gonna take you through the home here in Floral Park. Look at this beautiful kitchen and these sweet plantation shutters. There's an awning on this home. It has the most delightful details ever. And you know, one of the things I get so excited. One of the things I tell my clients is that it's always in your best interest to have your own agent working for you, because I get paid for by the seller and I help protect you. Look at the stove. So we are just in the middle of negotiations and looking at the house one more time to just, verify. And I mean, I'm sold, but it's their money. I've really enjoyed being in this neighborhood, and wait till you see. Hello! Oh my gosh, at least I have this on video. Oh yeah, the master bath and bedroom. The bathroom is just exquisite. Gosh, it's not easy to do this selfie stick thing, but I'm going to figure it out because I want to be in the video. This is such a sweet house. So here we go. There you go. Now you can see the master shower. It's beautiful, been completely redone, and you're able to look out onto the lovely yards. Gigantic. It's really big. It goes really far back. Hello. So this is your view, and that's where the ivy was growing. Sweet, right?